Isikhulu esiphezulu se-IEC simemezela ukuthi emva kwalempela sonto luzomenyezelwa ngokusemthethweni usuku lokhetho lohulumeni bezindawo.
Once the final voter registration weekend has concluded, the Commission anticipates that the Minister of Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs, COGTA, will proclaim the election date of the 2026 local government elections.
Iqembu lezombusazwe lingalandeli yonke imigomo yokhetho lizokhishwa ohlwini lamaqembu ephepheni lokuvota i-ballot paper.
That you are registered is not automatic that you're going to contest the elections. There are still additional participation requirements that must be met.
Ezinye izindawo zokubhalisela ukuvota angeke zisavulwa kulokho kulandela ukuba isibalo sabantu ababhalisa khona siyidlanzana.
Some of them we have disestablished. As you'll see, the 7 that has been disestablished. In other words, they no longer exist because the level of registration activity there does not justify their continued existence.
I-IEC ithi yenze konke okusemandleni ukuqinisekisa ukuthi abantu bakuleli babhalisela ukuvota kanti ithi isezinhlelweni zokuthola izindlela ezizoheha intsha ukuba ivote.